Hello friends, so today we are going to do exercise 4.3 of class 8 and I am taking up the first question. In this question we are asked to draw, we have to construct a quadrilateral MORE where MOR and 3 angles are given. 2 sides and 3 angles are given. So first let us draw a rough figure for this. So MO is 6 centimeter and then OR we have to draw 4.5 centimeter. M is given to be 60 degree angle, so it will be somewhat like this. Angle M is 60 degree. Angle O is given to be 105 degree. So that means it will be an obtuse angle somewhat like this. So this is O and suppose this length is 4.5, O has to be 105 degree. Then angle R is also given to be 105 degree. So again that will also be an obtuse angle. And these two will touch each other at E. So three angles 60, angle M 60, angle O 105, angle R 105 are given. Two sides MO and OR are given to be 4.5 and 6. So this is the rough figure. This gives us an idea of how the angles will look like and how the final quadrilateral will look like. So let's begin our work. So the first step is I will draw MO of 6 centimeter. So here I am drawing the side MO and its length is 6 centimeter. So for better accuracy what I am doing is I am just drawing the dots first and then I will join them. So this is my MO. After this, at M I have to draw an angle of 60 degree. In my previous video I told you how to construct an angle of 60 degree. So we will simply construct an angle of 60 degree at M like this. Two equal arcs give us an angle of 60 degree. I will roughly draw, I will join it and extend it because I don't know the length of ME. So what I am going to do is I will join these 2 points, the 60 degree angle arm I will just extend it. Now I have to draw an angle of 105 here at O. Now to draw an angle of 105, it means that directly I cannot construct it, but if I draw a 90 degree angle and a 15 degree angle, I will get an angle of 105 degree. So let me construct a 90 and a 15 here. 15 will be constructed by bisector. So first let me draw the 90 degree angle. At the end point of line segment, if I have to draw a 90 degree angle, then first I have to draw an arc like this. And after drawing this arc, I have to cut 2 arcs on this only, the same distance like this, and from this point another arc like this. From here I have to again draw 2 arcs cutting each other, and that will give me a 90 degree angle. And after that at this side I will be drawing a 15 degree angle. I will tell you how after we have constructed the 90 one. Let me extend this a bit because you will need it. Yeah. So after this point, this length arc and this also arc length, both are equal. Now we will take these 2 points and we'll just highlight them. I am taking these 2 points, right? better with this color. So you can see the dots, and keep the compass here, any suitable radius, and cut the arcs. This gives me a 90-degree angle. Now I don't want 90, so I am just drawing a dotted line for 90. I want 105, and to complete my 105 I have drawn 90. So I will just draw a dotted line for 90 here. After this, what I see, from here to here it is 90, but from here to here it is, how much it will be? It will be 60, because from here to here we have taken equal radius. So that's why this is 60 and this is also 60. So if I, and this from here to here it is 90, means 60 plus 30, this is 90. That's why this much will be equal to 30. From here to here it will be 30. That means if I can draw the bisector of this angle, I will get 115. So this will become 90 plus 15. Right? Because this much is 90, and from here to here it will be 15 after drawing the angle bisector there. So simply I have to cut, I have to put my compass at this point and at this point where this 90-degree line is going. So keeping it here like this and then keeping it here like this, I get intersection of two arcs. This is the point. This is the point that I get, and I will simply join this point with this O to get my line of 105 degree. And I will just extend it. Then I know the length 4.5 from the rough figure. OR is 4.5. So I will open my compass to a length of 4.5 centimeter like this. This length is 4.5 exactly. So from O I will cut an arc at 4.5. This gives me this point R. I have got M, I have O, and I have R. Now after this, at R again I have to draw an angle of 105 degree. So again I have to follow the same steps. So I can either turn the page like this so that I can treat this point R as my base now, and the same procedure, keep the compass at R and like this, and cut an arc, and equal length I have to take on these two arcs. So these are the two equal lengths. I am marking it with this color so they are clearly visible. This arc and this arc are the two which are going to give me that 90 mark. So from here any suitable radius I am opening, and I will cut these two arcs like this. And if I join this line, I will join this line by a dotted line only, because this is not my required line. I will join this with R by a dotted line. This is not my required line. Which one is my required line? I have to draw bisector of this, because this is again 30 and half of it will be 15. So I will bisect this to get 90 plus 15, 105 again. This point is the line which is cutting at 90, and this the second arc I got. Then I will connect this new point I got. This line was 90, this is angle bisector 15, so 90 plus 15 is again 105. So I will join point R with this and extend it like this. So this will cut the line which was produced from M at 60 degree angle. So this will be the point E, and the quadrilateral MORE is completed. 60 degree, 105 degree, 105 degree again. So this is the quadrilateral mode. I will just highlight the quadrilateral so that you can see it clearly which one is the quadrilateral. So the one which I am shading is the required quadrilateral MORE mode, in which we have been given 3 angles and 2 sides to construct a quadrilateral.